Welcome to the Toolbox Talk on hammers and chisels. Hammers and chisels are type of hand tools which are powered by hand rather than a motor. In this Toolbox Talk, we will discuss about the safety rules that should be followed while using the hammers and chisels. One of the most common causes of hand injuries is from the improper use of hammers and chisels. In fact, a misplaced hammer alone can break a bone in your wrist, hand, or fingers, as well as cause minor scrapes, cuts and bruising to any part of your body. Both are responsible for a high number of eye injuries as a result of flying nails, metal or concrete chips. Workers should follow the following safety rules while using the chisel. Always wear eye protection. Do not use chisels that have mushroomed striking heads. Hold a chisel by using a tool holder, if possible. Use the chisel that has been sharpened. Do not use a chisel that has a dull cutting edge. Clamp small workpieces in the vise and chip towards the stationary jaw when you are working with a chisel. Do not grip a chisel if your hands are numb. If another worker is nearby, place yourself between the other worker and the chipping area. Now, let's discuss about the proper use of hammers. Always keep your work area free of debris and other objects that may cause trip or slip hazards. Before using a hammer, ensure that its handle is not loose, cracked or splintered. Make sure the handle fits securely. Use hammers or mallets with electrically insulated handles for work on or around exposed energized parts. Wear appropriate eye protection, since flying debris from shattered materials can injure your eyes. Make sure you have enough clearance from fellow workers when performing work with a hammer or mallet. Choose a hammer with a cushioned handle to protect you from vibration, impact and squeezing pressure. Select a hammer with a weight appropriate to your size and capacity, as well as the job at hand. Use only a hammer when driving nails into an object or material. Never use a rock, brick or other tools for this purpose, or risk getting injured. Avoid using hammers with sharp edges, as they can cut off circulation in your finger after long periods of use. When pulling nails or prying material apart, ensure that the claw of the hammer is in the proper position and the right leverage is applied. Avoid awkward positions when using the hammer to prevent strains and other kinds of stress. While working on a ladder, never hammer by extending your torso outside the side rails of the ladder. Keep hammers and other tools organized by placing them in tool chests or tool boxes. Use pegboards for larger tools so that you can hang them securely and save space at the same time. Make sure to immediately repair damaged or defected hammers and other tools. Only qualified personnel must perform repairs. Ensure that you have secure footing and good balance while using a hammer. With this, let's complete our toolbox talk on hammers and chisels. Have a safe day.